I made my way to the heart of Spain to walk in the footsteps of countless others. Join me on a pilgrim's journey as I hope to challenge myself both physically and mentally, reconnect with nature, and get in touch with something profound. Welcome to my walk on the Camino Madrid.
Hey there, it's Robin. I am here in Madrid. I got here about 24 hours ago. It took 2 very long flights and can't really tell what time of day it is, although it's mid-morning right now. My plan for the day originally was to just take another rest day here in Madrid, but I think I'm going to start my journey today by walking to the edge of town, and then I'll catch a cab back to my hostel. And then tomorrow morning I'll start my walk from where I left off today. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this first leg of the trip is 15 miles. And I don't think I want to do that on my very first day of walking. So today I'll walk to the edge of town, tomorrow I'll walk to Tres Cantos. I'm super excited to be here in Madrid. It's lovely. Feeling tired and nervous and excited at the same time if all of that is possible. Right now I am trying to find my way to the Church of St. James, which is somewhere around here. I feel like I'm very close, which is the official start to the Madrid route, although it's not waymarked until a little further along the route. But yeah, I'm gonna see if the church is open, see if I can get my pilgrim's passport stamped, and then start walking. So here we go. I went to the church and I think I'm going to return back at 7:30 so I can go to the Mass. There wasn't anybody there at the church right now except for somebody that was just dusting. So I think I'll attend Mass and get my stamp then and my blessing. And then I'm on my way now to find Plaza Castilla. Well, I made it to the Plaza de Castilla, and these are the 2 leaning towers that I was supposed to look for. And my problem at this point is trying to find the arrows or the waypoints that mark the way to Santiago. So they're somewhere around here. I just have to find them. The very first one. So I am next to, there's a McDonald's here. I think this is a hospital right here. So yeah, that's my first waymark. It'll be easy to find my way. I made it to the park, and as you can see, it's kind of a, like a barren little park. There's not a lot here, but I made it, and yeah, it's hot, but I managed to walk on the shaded areas, shaded side of the street, which was good. And then tomorrow I pick up from here. So I guess from here, I'm gonna have to find a way back to the hotel. Maybe I'll call a taxi or an Uber. And tonight is the Pilgrim's Mass. All right, thanks for following along. Talk to you later, bye.